Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. We have a second location at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. And we're getting really excited for our third location in Woodstock. So we got like 6 more days. We're all working together, trying to put this thing together. So we'll see you guys in Woodstock in about 6 days, hopefully. Reminding everybody that Computers Plus is here to help you guys with all your technical needs, whether it be laptop, desktop, maybe it's that software you're just trying to get some more feedback on as far as if it's right for your company or not. Give us a call. You know our website at computersplususa.com. Yesterday was Martin Luther King's birthday, and this coming up Wednesday is Women Wednesday. Women Wednesday, we give 10% off any women that comes in, 10% off any service or any products. It's our way of giving thanks to the women in this world. I want to also remind people about our repair option on our website. So if you're viewing this video in a different state, you can always go on our website and check us out. And if you have like a game console, I know that HDMI jacks kind of flip off sometimes, or maybe the repair shop in your area just isn't giving you the service that you need, check us out on our website. You can ship us actually your repair. We can fix it, ship it right back to you guys. So that is an option that we've started new in the last couple months, and we're really getting some great response. We just helped one customer. He shipped us his MacBook Pro, and we were able to get the battery changed out and ship it back to him. So we got a lot of great services on our website. You guys please take a look at and follow us and like this, because we're trying to build up a following. We've been in for 13 years, going on 14 years in July, and then 15. I can't wait for 15 years. So we'll see you guys soon. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. See you guys soon. Bye.